Countryside Rental LLC is your premier destination for efficient waste management solutions, specializing in dumpster rental services. Whether tackling a home renovation project or overseeing a large-scale construction endeavor, Countryside Rental LLC caters to your diverse waste disposal needs with professionalism and reliability. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, our dumpster rental services are designed to streamline the cleanup process and ensure a hassle-free experience for residents and businesses alike. For inquiries and to schedule your dumpster rental, contact Countryside Rental LLC at 507-298-0950. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in choosing the right dumpster size for your project. You can also explore our offerings and learn more about our services by visiting our website at www.countrysidedumpsterrental.com. We understand the importance of prompt and reliable service, and our goal is to make your waste management experience in Apple Valley, Minnesota, as convenient as possible. At Countryside Rental LLC, we focus on providing top-notch dumpster rentals in Apple Valley, Minnesota. With a range of dumpster sizes available, we cater to projects of various scales, ensuring flexibility and efficiency in waste disposal. Our transparent pricing and commitment to delivering quality service make us the go-to choice for residents and businesses seeking reliable dumpster rentals. Trust Countryside Rental LLC for all your waste management needs and experience the convenience of our dedicated services in Apple Valley and the surrounding areas.